Good morning and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are at United Everco Motorsports. And right over there, that's the car we are doing installation for today. We have a very beautiful Ferrari 812 Superfast ready for Novitec full exhaust upgrade that will be done by Everco. Usually the Ferraris will be in red or yellow because those are the common colors. This 812 Superfast we are working on today has a very interesting color. So this blue color is actually called Blu TDF Ferrari. It's quite special and it actually looks really nice on the 812 Superfast. This is a very special color paired with these gloss black wheels and carbon ceramic brakes with yellow color calipers. We have removed the undercarriage and now we are going to remove the stock exhaust system out of the 812. This is how the stock exhaust looks like. The original Ferrari rear muffler. Then to the middle. The middle section is a H-pipe design that we are going to replace this part as well. And down to the front, the factory downpipes with catalytic converters, very huge catalytic converters that we are going to replace with a cat delete downpipes. Right over here we have all the Novitec parts. These are the rear muffler with valves, and this is the Novitec X pipe to replace the factory H pipe at the middle section, and also this cat delete downpipes. We also have this Novitec Switchtronic that allows you to turn on and off the valves on the 812. The muffler is actually very easy to be removed. The mid pipe is also easy, but this downpipe is actually the hardest part, the most difficult part to be removed from the 812. This is the internal of the stock downpipes. These are the catalytic converters, very huge catalytic converter, and this cat bypass downpipes. It removes the cat. It's a straight through design. On the left is the Novitec X pipe, and on the right is the factory H pipe that we taken out from the 812. So this is the side-by-side comparison. Now let's have a look at the internal design of the Novitec X pipe. So this is how it looks from the inside. You can see there's a hole at the middle for the X pipe. On the other hand, this is the H pipe. So this section actually from inside there's a hole over here and another hole over here that makes it an H pipe. So you can see the hole right over there. It's actually this section with a hole in between the both pipes. The Novitec downpipes are covered in this high temperature heat protector. as well as the X pipe is also covered with the heat protector. For the tailpipes, there's actually an option for the Novitec tailpipes, but on this 812 we will be using back its original tailpipes, and that's why from the outlook you can't really tell that this car has already been fitted with an aftermarket exhaust system until you fire up the car. Then you will know that this is definitely not an 812 with the factory exhaust. The 812 Superfast has a 6.5 litre V12 Naturally Aspirated engine, and it's actually an enlarged version of the 6.3 litre engine from F12 Berlinetta. And this 6.5 litre V12 Naturally Aspirated engine on the 812 can produce up to 789 horsepower and 718 Newton meters of torque. Right over here, these are the ECU of the 812 Superfast, and this car will receive ECU tuning later by Everco, VTE tuning. Start of the Ferrari 812 Superfast with Novitec full exhaust system. Okay. This is the Novitec Switchtronic remote that we can turn on and off the valves. So now this is in valve off and valve on. Very huge difference between on and off the valves. So this is how it sounds with the valves fully open. We have completed Novitec full exhaust upgrade on this beautiful Ferrari 812 Superfast, done by our dealers at Evercore Motorsport. What you think about the brand new Novitec exhaust sounds on the 812 Superfast? Let us know in the comment sections below. Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents in the future.